Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you 5 hairstyles that you can do with your fit-in box braids. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna put the link to this elastic band that I make myself. That's gonna direct you to my website where you can actually buy it, and also I'm gonna link in the description box for the hair jewelry. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next video.